Do you have weight loss goals for 2024? Perhaps you're wondering how to kickstart your journey? Well, you've come to the right place. The first, and perhaps the most crucial step in your weight loss journey, is setting realistic and achievable goals. But what does that mean? It means setting goals that challenge you, but not to the point where they seem impossible or discourage you from trying. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique. Weight loss is a gradual process that requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of self-love. Consistency is key in this journey. It's not about perfecting a single day of healthy eating and exercise, but rather about the cumulative effect of many good days. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your daily habits that add up over time. It's about learning to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. A balanced diet and regular exercise are two pillars that support your weight loss goals. Think of it as a seesaw. You need both to maintain a balance. A balanced diet doesn't mean starving yourself or skipping meals. It means consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions to ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Regular exercise, on the other hand, doesn't mean spending hours at the gym. It means engaging in physical activities that you enjoy and can maintain in the long run. Setting weight loss goals isn't just about the number on the scale. It's about improving your overall health, boosting your self-confidence, and cultivating a positive relationship with your body. It's about setting the foundation for a healthier, happier you. As you embark on this journey, remember to be kind to yourself. Celebrate your small victories, and don't beat yourself up over the occasional slip-ups. They're all part of the process. And most importantly, remember why you started this journey in the first place. Remember, the key to successful weight loss lies in setting practical goals and working towards them consistently. Now that you have identified your goals, wonder how to achieve them. Here are some weight loss ideas. First, we have healthy eating, a cornerstone of any weight loss plan. It's not just about cutting calories, but ensuring your body gets the right nutrients. Next, we have regular exercise, a surefire way to burn calories and improve your fitness. But it's not enough to just exercise and eat right. Mindful eating, focusing on when and why you eat, is another crucial aspect. It encourages a healthier relationship with food, helping to eliminate binge eating and emotional eating. Lastly, we'll discuss lifestyle changes. These are small adjustments that can make a big difference, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or parking a bit further away from your destination. Each of these ideas, when implemented correctly, can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Healthy eating is not about strict dietary limitations, but about feeling great, having more energy, and maintaining a healthy weight. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients, so you can feel your best both physically and mentally. Think of your meals as a colorful palette, incorporating all food groups. It's about balance, not deprivation. You've got your proteins, your carbohydrates, your fruits and vegetables, and yes, even your fats. Each one plays a unique role in your body. Proteins repair and build tissues, carbs provide energy, fruits and veggies are rich in vitamins and minerals, while fats support cell growth and protect your organs. So when you're planning your meals, make sure to include a little bit of everything. Now let's talk about portion control. It's not just what you eat, but also how much you eat that counts. Even healthy foods, when eaten in large quantities, can lead to weight gain. So how can you keep portions in check? Easy. Use smaller plates, check serving sizes on food labels, and remember, it's okay to leave food on your plate. Eating should be about satisfaction, not about stuffing yourself to the brim. Another key aspect of healthy eating is home cooking. Homemade meals give you control over what goes into your food. You can choose fresh ingredients, limit added sugars and fats, and modify recipes to suit your dietary needs. Plus, cooking at home can be a fun and creative process. It's time to dust off those cookbooks and embrace the art of home cooking. But it's not just about the meals, it's also about the snacks. Healthy snacking can keep your metabolism fired up and prevent overeating at mealtimes. Think fresh fruits, nuts, yogurt, or a smoothie. These can provide an energy boost without the crash that comes from sugary processed snacks. In the next scene, we will delve into some easy healthy recipes that you can whip up in no time. Remember, what you eat directly impacts your weight loss journey. Wondering what these easy healthy recipes might be? Let's dive in. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day, doesn't have to be a calorie bomb. An easy and nutritious recipe is an egg and avocado toast. You need a slice of whole grain bread, 1 egg, and half an avocado. Toast the bread, fry the egg to your liking, and mash the avocado onto the toast. Top it off with the egg, and sprinkle some salt and pepper. This meal is packed with protein and healthy fats to kickstart your day. Moving on to lunch, how about a quinoa and vegetable salad? This is also our vegan-friendly recipe. Cook a cup of quinoa and let it cool. In the meantime, chop colorful veggies like bell peppers, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Toss the veggies and quinoa together with a light vinaigrette dressing. This dish is high in fiber and provides a good balance of carbohydrates and protein. Now, let's talk about dinner. Grilled salmon with lemon and dill is a delicious and healthy option. Season a salmon fillet with lemon juice, dill, salt, and pepper, then grill it. Pair it with a side of steamed broccoli for a vitamin-rich, lean protein meal. And of course, we can't forget about snacks. Apple slices with almond butter make for a great midday pick-me-up or a late-night snack. Simply slice an apple and dip it in a tablespoon of almond butter. This snack is low in calories, but high in fiber and healthy fats. These recipes are not just quick and easy, but also require minimal ingredients. The focus is on creating delicious, low-calorie meals that don't compromise on nutrition. Remember, healthy eating isn't about deprivation, it's about balance and making smarter food choices. With these recipes in your arsenal, you're well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. These recipes not only help in weight loss, but also ensure you're getting the necessary nutrients. Healthy eating goes hand in hand with regular exercise and lifestyle changes. It's like a waltz, where each partner relies on the other for a perfect performance. So, let's discuss the role of exercise in our weight loss journey. Regular physical activity is key to burning those extra calories and keeping our bodies in shape. It's about adopting a routine that fits into your life seamlessly. Think of it as a habit, like brushing your teeth or making your bed. You don't have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights to see results. In fact, simple forms of exercise can be just as effective. Consider taking a brisk walk in your neighborhood, or cycling to work instead of driving. If you're more into tranquility and mindfulness, yoga could be your perfect match. It not only helps in toning your body, but also in calming your mind. Now let's not forget about the importance of sleep and stress management. Did you know that lack of sleep can interfere with your body's ability to metabolize carbs? That's right, not getting enough sleep can actually lead to weight gain. So ensure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Stress management, on the other hand, is all about keeping your cortisol levels in check. High levels of cortisol, also known as the stress hormone, can lead to overeating and weight gain. So it's essential to find healthy ways to unwind and relax. It could be reading a book, meditating, or even spending time with loved ones. It's important to remember that these changes won't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires consistency and patience. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but about creating a healthier version of you. In conclusion, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management form the trifecta of a healthy lifestyle. They are the pillars that support your weight loss efforts. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the foundation of successful weight loss. Now that you're equipped with these weight loss ideas, it's time to put them into practice. Let's take a quick recap. We started off by setting achievable weight loss goals. Remember, it's all about small, consistent steps rather than giant leaps. We then shed some light on the importance of healthy eating and how it forms the backbone of any successful weight loss journey. We also explored some easy-to-make, healthy recipes that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also keep your calorie count in check. We've got something for everyone, including our vegan friends. Lastly, we emphasized the role of regular exercise and lifestyle changes. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about embracing a healthier, happier you. So let's embark on this journey together. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to your goal. Here's wishing you a healthy and successful weight loss journey in 2024.